Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Command & Conquer General's Zero-Hour multiplayer. First, ensure your game is fully installed and updated to the latest version. Next, you'll need a community-made client, as the original online services are no longer active. A popular choice is C&C Online, which provides a stable platform for thousands of players. Download and install this client, then register a free account to get started. This crucial first step connects you to the vibrant player community. Once the C&C Online client is installed, always launch Command & Conquer General's Zero-Hour through its interface. This ensures you connect to their dedicated servers. When the game starts, you will be prompted to enter your C&C Online login details. After successfully logging in, navigate to the main menu and select the multiplayer option. This action will take you to the online lobby, ready for action. Inside the multiplayer section, you'll find options to join or host a game. Select Online or Internet to see a list of active lobbies. You can browse these games, checking their player count and chosen maps. If you find a suitable match, simply click to join. If you prefer to host, select Create Game, then customize settings like map, game mode, and starting funds before inviting others. Now you are ready to enjoy the thrilling multiplayer battles of Zero-Hour. Remember to communicate respectfully with your fellow players, fostering a positive community. Be prepared for a wide array of strategies and skill levels, as the community is quite diverse. The best way to improve is through consistent practice and learning from each match. Have fun commanding your forces to victory against opponents from around the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.